Hey! What? What is that? What? What is that? What are you eating? Eating what? A cookie. That's my cookie. That's my cookie. No, it's not. It's from my cookie jar. No, so it's my cookie. How would you know that? Because I baked them. No, you did not. I found this cookie in a separate other cookie jar. But it's my cookie jar. How could you possibly know that? It's my cookie jar. No, it's not. It says Ruby's cookie jar. I did not see anything like that. It's Ruby's cookie jar. See, it's Ruby's cookie jar in invisible ink. How was I supposed to know that? Well, you're supposed to know it because it's invisible ink. If it's invisible, how the heck am I supposed to see it, for goodness sake? Well, you should know that I baked them. I didn't know that you baked them. They're my mom's recipe. How am I supposed to know that your mom's recipe? What the heck is your mom anyway? Did you bake them? No, I found them. Did Dust bake them? Nah, I don't know. Maybe he did. Did Yang bake them? Yang? Who's Yang? So I baked them. Now, how will you possibly know that? What if your cookies are in the other jar, on the other side of the stupid room? It's my kitchen. My kitchen. My jar. My house. Too late. I already ate the cookie.